Hello guys, today we are going to open and install the new Vortex heater. This is the 2000 watt convector, but all of them are pretty much the same, so this video may help you even if you don't have the 2000 watt one. So let's open it. Actually this was the last one in the store, so that's why it's already open, because they had to rebox it, inbox it, but now we are going to unbox it. So on the top you can see the legs which you have to install. Let's take them out first. It also has something in them. Let's see what it is. Maybe a few screws. Yeah, a few screws are inside the leg. Let's see where we have to install them. And then here is the heater, which we are going to take out. Inside the box we have a few papers and the warranty, nothing important. Let's take these down. And yeah, here is the heater. First let's install the legs on the bottom, if you don't want to let your house in fire. So let's see how we should install them. So we just installed the legs. It's quite easy with these 4 screws. I mean 2 on each side. As you can see, here 1 and 2 screws on both sides, and the legs are pretty sturdy. So that's pretty much it. Let's stand it up. And this is how it looks. Yes, so you shouldn't cover it. You shouldn't try to dry clothes on it, because it's quite dangerous. But yeah, now let's try to start it. So here are all the buttons. As you can see, you can increase the heat, and it has three methods. The lowest one is 750 volts, 1250, and 2000. So just one, the first method, second, and if you want to turn it all the way up, then turn both of them on. So let's plug it in and let's try if it works. Okay, so we just plugged it in and let's start. So this is the first one. Oh, and it's already hot. So it works quite fast, instantly. As you can see there, the light. So yeah, and if we turn it all the way up, then it's going to be quite hot. Yeah, it's pretty hot. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.